Have you ever felt that you got distanced from your dreams just because your height wasn't what society expects? Have you ever looked in the mirror and asked yourself, can I still grow taller? Is it possible to increase height even at the age of 25? Then listen closely. If there's fire in the heart, even the limits of the body surrender. From today, tell yourself only one thing. I won't stop, I won't bend, and I will rise. In every way. Those who say that height can't increase after a certain age have probably never witnessed the power of passion. They've likely never seen the warriors of the Maasai tribe who leap from the ground to the sky. They don't just jump, they break the boundaries within themselves. The Maasai Jump is not just an exercise, it's a symbol of rising, of growth, of transformation. And that symbol is for you today. Your body, your bones, your spine, they can still respond. Science says that even after the age of 25, with the right stretching, yoga, nutrition, and mental belief, the body can expand. But for that, you'll need to defeat your laziness every single day. Every morning when you wake up, ask yourself, can I lift myself just a little bit higher today? Every time you perform the Maasai Jump, every time your feet rise off the ground and leap into the air, your mind, your soul, your confidence leaps with it. It's not just your height that's increasing, it's you, in your entirety, rising higher. And that is the real victory. The world doesn't care about your height. What matters is how tall you feel within yourself. If you consider yourself small, the world will treat you that way. But if you ignite the fire of the Maasai Jump inside you, then age, bones, and even genes will kneel before your will. From today, your life is a mission to rise. Incorporate stretching into your routine, fix your nutrition, hydrate, sleep well, and above all, believe in yourself. When you look at yourself in the mirror, see not your height, but the spark in your eyes, because that spark is saying, I can grow. I will grow. No dream is too small. And height, that's not a small dream either. If this dream burns within you, then fulfill it. Make the Maasai Jump your symbol, every day, every morning, with every breath. Jump 100 times. Jump 200 times. But with every leap, say to yourself, I'm breaking my limits. Increasing your height isn't just a physical process, it's a mental revolution. It's the power of belief that says, I can rebuild myself. And if you can rebuild yourself, then you can do anything. You'll hear people laugh. You'll hear them say, it's too late now. But remember, every successful story begins with this line. They said it was impossible. So when people say height can't be increased after 25, smile, because they don't know the fire of the Maasai Jump within you. From today, don't look at your body. Look at your intentions. Look at your dreams. Height isn't just measured in centimeters. True height is how tall you feel within. And when you start to see yourself as taller, your body gradually begins to align with that vision. Remind yourself every day, I can change. My body listens to me. When I stretch, when I jump, when I look at myself with power, my body listens to my belief. And that is the real secret. Belief. The force that can even change your DNA. If you decide to increase your height at 25, it's not just a change, it's a revolution. And in this revolution, your greatest weapon is your effort, your passion, your Maasai Jump. So rise, get ready. No more excuses. Now is the time for determination. No more weakness. Now only steel-like resolve. The Maasai Jump is your mantra. Chant it every day. Live it every day. Rise higher with every jump. Because when you break your boundaries and leap into the air, you don't just gain height. You find yourself. Every time you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Was it just about height? Or was it about proving to yourself that you are not limited by what you were told? You're not just fighting for a few extra inches. You're fighting for the belief that you can reshape your destiny. Close your eyes and imagine it. A stronger, taller version of you. Standing upright, confident, walking into rooms with a presence no one can ignore. This isn't fantasy. This is the result of discipline, repetition, and an unshakable mindset. Don't be fooled. There is no magic pill, no overnight miracle. There is only one thing that will make you grow: consistency. Every stretch you do, every jump you take, every healthy bite you eat, and every thought you feed your mind, it all adds up. This is not just about jumping. This is about evolving. Your spine needs space, and your mind must first allow it. When you stop slouching mentally, your body follows. Practice posture. Practice alignment. Practice believing that your body is fluid, not fixed. Science has already shown that exercises like hanging, stretching, yoga, and even deep sleep can boost your natural growth potential, especially when combined with food rich in calcium, magnesium, protein, and good sleep cycles. But let's go beyond the physical for a moment. Have you noticed how your energy changes when you walk with your head held high? That's not just posture. That's power. That's presence. And when you make that presence part of your daily habit, the world sees you differently. You are not invisible. You are not small. You were never meant to shrink to fit in. You were meant to expand, to stand out. And this goal of increasing height? It's just the beginning of your transformation. So many people give up on themselves before they even try. Don't be one of them. Be the one who proves that even the so-called impossible bends before those who dare. Be the one who says, "Yes, I started late, but I didn't stop." Every single day is a chance to gain an inch in your mindset, if not your body. But guess what? When the mind expands, the body follows. Stretch more, eat better, sleep deeper, think higher, start tracking your habits. Celebrate small progress. Measure your stretches. Reflect on how far you've come. And when no one is watching, still keep jumping. Because the most powerful growth always happens in silence. You must become obsessed, not just with the result, but with the process, the ritual, the grind, the early morning jumps when others are still asleep, the late night stretches when your muscles are tired, but your will is stronger. And remember, height doesn't just grow from effort. It grows from identity. You have to become the kind of person who believes in growth. Not just physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Growth is a habit. Cultivate it. Let others doubt. Let the world question you. But inside, you stay on fire. Let the Maasai Jump be your battle cry. Not just a move, but a metaphor. For every time you jumped and didn't give up. For every time you fell and stood again. For every time you chose to rise, even when it hurt. This isn't just about bones and biology anymore. This is about proving that your will is stronger than your limits. Look at yourself now, not just in the mirror, but deep inside. Can you feel that? That spark, that push, that rising tide inside you? That's the real growth. That's your evolution. Don't stop now. Even if it takes 3 months, 6 months, a year, would it be worth it if you walked away not just taller, but transformed? That's what we're chasing. Not just height, but greatness. And greatness requires belief when nothing around you supports it. It requires that you show up when it's raining, when it's dark, when you're tired, when you've failed. Because those moments, those exact moments, are when you grow the most. So ask yourself now, what are you willing to do? Who are you willing to become? Will you take the jump? Will you rise? Because if you do, you will not only change your height, you will change your life.